अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के साथ साथ इस बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि आप देख पाएं हमारी वीडियोस सबसे पहले।
And it can, so all other things that you do with a Google search, you can explore that. It gives you, I'll try.
So if you basically
Weather in Gurgaon. So it even tells you a lot more. And what we are adding to this device is basically Google Assistant. So hypothetically, tomorrow a use case can be you can actually ask your set-top box to book a cab for you to office. The possibilities are immense. And this is something for the first time someone has done in India. It's not been attempted anywhere else.
Can you talk about the Chromecast related features which you have on the set-top box?
Yeah. So basically, I would rather want to do a demo for you. I'm not trying.
Okay.
So it has Google Chromecast inbuilt.
Okay.
So what I mean by Chromecast inbuilt is the required hardware functionality is already there.
Okay.
And you need not buy a new. So Google has two type of Chromecast. One is the 4K Chromecast that is around $7,000. There is the regular one around 3,500, 3,300. All that functionality is actually inbuilt into this. You need not buy another device. I'll try and probably do a demo for you. It has to be on the same Wi-Fi.
Okay. Can you basically run some application like YouTube and
so why not Netflix then?
So right now you have basically connected through a Wi-Fi network.
I have connected through a Wi-Fi. It has option to connect through a cable also, the Ethernet cable.
Okay.
And it has two USB ports. I'll show you. The front USB can be used for recording, putting your USB controllers.
And for that recording, you need that particular kind of privileges, or you can do it.
You can record on DTH as long as you are allowed to. And on the back panel, you can have a look.
Okay.
It has different interfaces. It supports optical output. It supports USB interface again for maybe you want to watch your
So you
content.
have LAN port as well, and then you have optical audio out as well.
It has HDMI,
and then you can connect to the USB,
and you can also connect it to your regular old generation
so
TVs.
AV out and
AV out also is there. Yeah,
and that is for the charging, right?
That's for the power, yes. And this is the DTH cable. So a couple of beautiful things are, even if you, for example, lost DTH signal. So in the weather like India, sometimes it happens you lose connectivity on a DTH, right? Due to rains. You can certainly access content which is available online. We are adding a functionality where we'll make all different channels also available over cloud, so that if you at least you'll have some good form of content always available to you.
Even when there is network problem.
And when you don't have your network available, you certainly have your DTH.
Okay. Can we just take a look over the interface? If you can just go over there.
So this is Netflix playing here, and it's very easy to use. Unlike any of the smart TVs, on a smart TV, if you start loading Netflix, it takes lots of time.
Okay.
On the interface bit, I will take you through the Airtel's new user interface as we have designed it.
Okay.
This basically has done away from all existing concepts that were used in a DTH. People actually watch content, they relate to posters, imagery more than anything else, and they find it very difficult to find what channels they are into. This presents you whatever channel based on your behavior. It keeps a list of your recently watched channels. It gives you content recommendation. So you upfront, as soon as you open up your TV, you know what is coming, what you would like to ideally watch.
Okay.
And over a period, it gets customized to your.
So this is basically
behavior.
the shows which are being broadcasted on different channels.
Yeah.
Right.
That's right.
What about the internet-related content which we have here?
Sure. So this is all DTH, different recommendations from DTH.
Okay.
And then you have
TV guide
functionality. And what we felt is people today have been using this kind of layout historically. We have retained it for now, but going forward, I believe it will be more programs, more posters.
Okay.
This is
so graphic wise, you will have this information except for the names. Apart from the names, you will have a graphical thing over there.
You have all those details.
Okay. This is the TV guide thing.
DTH. This is Airtel Movies, Airtel's own OTT platform.
Cool.
You can launch it from here.
Okay.
Then it has Airtel's game store.
Okay.
While you get almost everything from Google as well. You have a Google gaming store, but there you need to download each and every application. And if there is a paid game, you have to pay for it before even trying for it. But
Okay,
Airtel
okay.
gives you a couple of free games every month that are free of cost. You can
Okay.
go ahead, play with them, even using your smartphone as a controller. And
Okay.
then you can subscribe to different packs available. So there is
Okay.
a value pack starting from say 49 rupees. You can subscribe to it. You get access to all the different games available there.
So once we come out from the game store, what else we have? There
We
applications.
have,
Okay.
So we have Netflix, it is preloaded. I am
Okay.
already taking you through that, and you have all Android functionalities that we call Android Home.
Okay.
These are the Airtel.
So over there, you can basically go to Google Play Store, install your
install
applications.
different applications. These are some of the games which I have downloaded from Google Play Store. only.
Okay. And it has 8 GB internal
It has
storage.
8 GB internal storage. It
And
has,
where exactly you can connect an SD card?
You can connect micro SD. There is a slot on this side.
Okay.
I'll show you. Okay, cool. Yeah, and you can extend it up to 128 GB through a micro SD.
Okay, okay, okay. Can you just come out from this interface and go back? Okay. Can you show me the applications over there?
So these are the applications which are available on Airtel's own app store. So Netflix
Okay,
is
okay.
made available by Airtel. It's not available in Google Play Store. Airtel games, Airtel movies are all from
So this is basically by Airtel, but in case you would like to have
Google
Android
apps.
application.
Exactly. So I'll show you the Google App Store as well, as we know it, the Google Play Store. So this is how it looks for TVs.
Oh,
We have
okay.
featured applications, we have movies and TV related applications. For example, lots of us watch TED. You have a TED application on your phones, you now have it on TV. And different paid, free games, different applications, entertainment applications
Okay.
that keep getting rolled out. And we are also working with Amazon Prime and Hotstar to be soon
That will
available on
also
this
be
platform.
there. Okay, cool.
Yeah. There are tuner applications. You can basically listen to
Any
internet radio
radio
channels
as well, okay.
wherever you are. There are some applications that you can basically play the TV remote itself.
Okay, okay, okay.
So
So
this is our new remote. It basically has three new things. One is it is on Bluetooth, so you need not point and shoot. You can operate from any direction.
Okay, okay.
It has a touchpad that removes the problem of clicking.
Okay, okay. So you can swipe your finger
You can
over there.
swipe, and it's very easy to use. And then you have a microphone here. You just activate voice through this
And
key,
you can use Google now. From
and
there
you
itself.
can use Google search as of now.
Okay,
So
okay.
Amitabh Bachchan. So
Okay,
this
good.
gives you content available across different applications. Even
okay.
tells you what is available on.
And Airtel Digital TV, which you
Airtel
can
Digital
watch
TV.
the movies of Amitabh Bachchan.
Exactly. Someone is trying to pirate, and who is? I don't know. Anyways,
Okay.
okay. Moving back to, I also want to show you how voice search works on Airtel Home. So
And you can also do recording on this one as well.
yeah, you can do it.
Again, this one has an internal storage of only 8 GB. So in
Yeah,
case you would
can-
like to record
so to
stuff,
record anything, we recommend you put your own USB device as small as a 4 GB and
Okay.
as big as a 2 terabyte.
okay.
So you can
And
use
then you
for
can play
recording.
that on this one only, or
On
you
this
can
one only.
on this one only. Okay.
And this also gives you functionalities of searching through voice and text.
Okay.
Voice.
You can connect Bluetooth keyboard as well, right?
कौन try कर रहा है gamepad?
And that's okay.
Okay, anyways. So here you can do voice search for channels.
Mm-hmm.
Sony and gives you,
So you can directly tune into those TV channels.
yeah, because there are multiple
Okay.
channels from Sony, so you need not
Okay,
remember
okay.
channel numbers anymore.
Okay. Cool.
और अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो रेड सब्सक्राइब बटन वीडियो के नीचे दिया गया है, उसको क्लिक करके हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। साथ ही साथ बेल बटन को दबा के सेंड मी ऑल नोटिफिकेशन फॉर दिस चैनल को सिलेक्ट करने के बाद सेव बटन को दबाइए ताकि आपको हमारे वीडियो सबसे पहले मिले।